Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Laura here, one of the twins with purelytwins.com, and so many of you guys loved my mini exercise ball moves in my previous video, so I'm back again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing more exercise moves with the exercise ball, but they're going to be standing and on all fours. And if you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Michelle Knight's channel. And if you know of anybody who would benefit from these exercises as well, make sure you go ahead and share this video too. And if you're looking for a more structured programs to do for your pregnancy or for your postpartum journey healing, make sure you check out my two programs down below, Purely Fit Pregnancy and Retrain Your Core. Those two exercise programs are specifically geared towards moms who either had diastasis and are pregnant again, or you're healing your diastasis. But they're also really great programs for any mom that wants to protect their core safely and still get a good workout in at home in a short amount of time in a safe way. Let's get to the moves. Thank you again so much for watching this video, and make sure to comment down below letting me know which exercise was your favorite. We'll see you in another video.